Hello and welcome to Pamela Panda, the singing panda bear. Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Pamela Panda, the singing panda bear, can sing longer than any other bear in the entire world. Last year at the National Bear Sing-Off, Pamela sang for 13 hours straight. Let's go ahead and write that down. 13 hours straight. Youch, that's a lot of hours. This year, Pamela plans on singing 8.34 times longer. Let's write that down. 8.34 times longer. If Pamela Panda, the singing panda bear, accomplishes her goal, how long will she sing for? Well, my friends, this is a multiplication problem. We're multiplying 13 by 8.34. So this can also be thought of as 8 and 34 100ths times longer than the 13 hours she did last time, right? So at any rate, the first thing you should do is get your counting by the numbers written down. Now, you really don't need them for the 1, but you certainly need them for the 3s. So I've got them written right here. And once again, I always take the smaller number. This only has 2 digits. This has 3. So that's why I chose to do the 13 and really not the 1, just the 3. Hey, with that said, you're going to first start out by taking this 8.34 and writing that up on top. So let's go ahead and do that right now. We got 8.34. Superb. I'm going to actually move it over a little bit, and then I'm going to make a little more room for myself. And now I'm going to make 2 area boxes, and I'm going to make one right there. Bring it this way a little bit. And then I'm going to make another one right below it, and put that right there. Superb. Get them a little closer. Now, I'm going to take the 13 right here, and I'm going to break that into 10 and 3, 10 plus 3. So let's go ahead and go 10 plus 3. Super. All right, so now I'm going to start up here in the ones column box, right? The area box for here for the 3. And I want to have this so I can see my 3's here, right? And I'm going to go 3 times 4. Well, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to give me 12, right? So I'm going to drop my 2 and carry my 1 right up there. Superb. Now I go 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3 gives me 9. Plus this 1 here will give me 10. I'm going to drop the 0 and carry the 1 right there. Superb. Now I've got 3 times 4. Times 4. That's not even a 4. That's an 8, you crazy man. I'm talking to myself. That's correct. All right, 3 times 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is going to give me 24. Plus this 1 here is going to give me 25. Super. I'm going to drop the 5 and the 2, and bam, I'm all done with this area box right here. Next, I'm going to move down to this area box, and I'm going to start with the 0. 0 times any number will give me 0 down here. Plug that in, and then the other way you can think of this is this holding a place value of the 1's column, because the 3 already took care of that 1's column, right? Now I'm moving on to the 1, and 1 times any number will give me that exact same number. So 1 times 4 will give me 4, 1 times 3 will give me 3, and 1 times 8 will give me 8. And as you see, I just have to rewrite the 834 right there. Superb, my friends, right? So now I'm all done with all my multiplication. All I have to do is add these bad boys up and then count my loopy-doops. So 2 plus 0 will give me 2. Superb. 0 and 4 gives you 4. Then you got 5 plus 3, which will give you 8. And then right here you got 2 plus 8, which will give you 10, right? Drop that 0, drop that 1, and bam, you are done with your addition portion. And now all you got to do is count your loopy-doops. Now, if you notice, I've only got decimals here. This does not have any decimals, so I don't got to count for this top one here, just over here. And remember, you start on the far right, and you're going to count your loopy-doops to the decimal. And the other thing is, why do I call it loopy-doops? Well, you know by now. because the word is just goofy enough that you might remember it when you're doing this on your own. So let's go. One loop-a-doop, two loop-a-doop. Bam! So now I'm going to start here on the far right and go one loop-a-doop, two loop-a-doop, and that's exactly where my decimal is going to go. And I'm going to end up with 108 and 42 100ths, right? So 108.42. Now, before we get going any further, let's go just and say, hey, so how long is Pamela, the singing panda bear, hoping to sing next time at the National Bear Sing-Off? Well, the answer is 108.42 hours, or you could think of it as 108 and 42 100ths hours. And that right there is a lot of singing for our friend Pamela Panda. Hey, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friends. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I will see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counting by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.